Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable x in the equation x divided by 12 plus 1 equals 2. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. So, grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Step 1 to solving the equation x divided by 12 plus 1 equals 2 involves isolating the term with the variable x. First, we look at the equation and identify that we want to get x by itself on one side. The equation given is x divided by 12 plus 1 equals 2. To begin, we need to remove the constant term on the left side of the equation. The constant term here is plus 1. We do this by performing the opposite operation, which is subtraction. So, we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. This step alters the original equation as follows. The original is x divided by 12 plus 1 equals 2. When we subtract 1 from both sides, the plus 1 and minus 1 cancel each other out on the left side, which simplifies the left side to x divided by 12. On the right side of the equation, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Therefore, after subtracting 1 from both sides, the equation is now simplified to x divided by 12 equals 1. In summary, by subtracting 1 from both sides, we've removed the constant term on the left and simplified the equation to focus more on isolating x. Step 2 involves isolating the variable x. We start with the simplified equation from step 1. The equation now is x divided by 12 equals 1. Our goal here is to get x by itself on one side of the equation. Since x is currently divided by 12, we need to do the opposite operation to cancel out the division. The opposite of division is multiplication. This means we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 12. When we multiply the left side by 12, we have x divided by 12 times 12. The division by 12 and multiplication by 12 cancel each other out, simplifying to just x on the left side. The right side of the equation is 1 times 12, which equals 12. So after multiplying both sides by 12, the equation is now x equals 12. This provides the solution to the problem. To recap, multiplying both sides by 12 cancels out the division by 12, leaving us with x equals 12. Therefore, the value of x is 12. This is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.